We'll look at how each of the two major U.S. crash testing organizations performs their evaluations on this video. Then, we'll show you the SUVs and crossovers with the best safety scores in our new vehicle rankings. Note that the two testing authorities don't fully crash test every model, so not all SUVs have enough ratings to get a U.S. News safety score. That's especially true of recently introduced models which may have yet to be comprehensively tested. 2022 Nissan Murano. The 2022 Nissan Murano isn't the freshest entry in the midsize SUV space, but it's one of the safest, according to testing from NHTSA and FS. It has a near-perfect US News safety score and is an FS Top Safety Pick Plus award winner. The two-row crossover offers seating for 5 in its well-appointed cabin. Driver drowsiness monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, automatic high-beam headlights and lane keep assist come standard. Its automatic emergency braking operates in forward and reverse. Because of its overly tame driving dynamics and smaller than average cargo area, the Murano grabs a spot in the lower half of our midsize SUVs ranking. It's powered by a 260 horsepower V6 matched to a continuously variable automatic transmission and front or all-wheel drive. While its fuel economy is good, its towing capacity is below average. 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. The fully redesigned 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander offers up to 7 seats, a fantastic new car warranty and a perfect 10 out of 10 U.S. News safety score. It's not yet scored in our compact SUVs ranking due to incomplete predicted reliability data. One of the first fruits of the union between Nissan and Mitsubishi, the new 3-row Outlander rides on the same platform as the 2-row Nissan Rogue. NHTSA has yet to evaluate the Outlander fully. In testing by FS, the Outlander earns marks of good in every tested category except headlight performance, which varies from poor to good, depending on trim level. It's an FS Top Safety Pick Plus award winner. All Outlander models come standard with a long list of safety technologies. It includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring and more. 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E. While some observers might still be upset that the Mustang name has been applied to an electric crossover SUV, one thing is not up for debate: the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E has exceptional safety marks. They include a perfect US News safety score. The Mach-E is available in single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive models with up to 480 horsepower. Depending on the model you choose, you can expect to be able to drive between 224 and 314 miles on a single charge. All models include a 15.5-inch central touchscreen and a 10.2-inch digital instrument panel. NHTSA hasn't thoroughly evaluated the Mach-E yet, but FS gave it top marks in every category except headlight performance, where results are mixed. FS also name it a top safety pick. In our electric SUVs ranking, the Mach-E claims a mid-pack position. 2022 Toyota RAV4 Prime. The 2022 Toyota RAV4 Prime is a plug-in hybrid model from the popular 2022 Toyota RAV4 and Toyota RAV4 hybrid family. When fully charged from an external charging station, it can travel an EPA estimated 42 miles on electricity alone, before seamlessly switching to traditional hybrid operation. With top marks and a top safety pick plus designation from FS, the 2022 RAV4 Prime earns a perfect 10 out of 10 U.S. News safety score. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which is a comprehensive package of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. It includes lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Because it's a plug-in, the RAV4 Prime qualifies buyers for the Federal Electric Vehicle Tax Credit, plus state, local and utility incentives. It scores a mid-pack spot in our hybrid SUVs ranking. 2022 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. The 2022 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is an all-wheel drive subcompact SUV. It features a plug-in hybrid powertrain capable of propelling the car for 17 miles on electricity alone when fully charged from an external source. When the battery is depleted, it uses a blend of its gasoline engine and electric motors to go down the road. It's scored in the lower half of our hybrid SUVs ranking. The Crosstrek Hybrid performed admirably in every evaluation FS conducted, including its headlight performance. It earns a perfect 10 out of 10 U.S. News safety score and is an FS Top Safety Pick Plus. Subaru outfits every Crosstrek Hybrid with adaptive headlights, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.